Hello, friends. Every step I'm going to show you has been verified by professional mechanics, so relax. We're going to get it fixed. You're driving your Kia and suddenly the dashboard shows check blind spot safety system. The first reaction is usually, oh no, my car is broken. Don't worry, most of the time it's not serious. The car is just telling you that the blind spot system can't function properly, and for safety, it temporarily disables itself. The most common cause, according to shop mechanics, is that the rear sensors or radar are dirty or blocked. It could be mud, dust, snow, ice, or even a roof rack that interferes with the signal. When this happens, the system can't see vehicles in your blind spot and triggers the warning. Many owners simply cleaned the area, restarted the car, and the message disappeared. Now, if you've cleaned everything and the warning still appears, it's probably an issue with misaligned sensors or loose connections. The radars and sensors need to be perfectly aligned. A bump, vibration, or poor adjustment can confuse the system. In these cases, recalibrating or checking the wiring usually fixes it. There are also cases where it's an electrical or voltage issue. Some mechanics report that their Kia showed the warning when starting up, but it disappeared after a few minutes of driving. This can happen if the battery is low or if there are temporary voltage spikes that confuse the system. If after all this the message still shows, the safest solution is to take it to a shop with a specialized scanner. There, they can diagnose exactly which sensor or module is failing and recalibrate or repair it properly. This also prevents other assistance systems, like forward collision warning or lane keeping assist, from being affected.